Here at Ahmedabad-based manufacturing facility, we create solutions for our customers, specialists in providing quality value-driven engineering systems and components to the process industries. Introducing the laboratory purpose double cone blender, which we offer to buy in order to assist you with enhancing your production capability. Are you thinking of adding a new ingredient to your recipe? Have you sourced a different supplier and you're wondering if their product will perform as well as your existing one? Perhaps you're considering experimenting with a new chemical process. This is where a laboratory double cone blender becomes an incredibly cost effective and convenient tool. You can test out the formula or process quickly and easily. The benefits of testing using a laboratory cone blender are many, but ultimately it comes down to the fact that you can test on a smaller scale, which means less cost and to disruption for you with no need to interrupt or contaminate your main production line. The lab double cone blender works exactly the same as a full-size model, so the results and data can be replicated confidently at a larger scale. It is a fully scalable solution. If you are interested in finding out more about how you can buy laboratory double cone blender, please contact us on +91 9727794689. It's a plug and play unit with a fully automatic control panel. All parts in contact with the product are made of stainless steel SS316 grade. If you would like to discuss your specific requirement, please contact us on +91 9727794689. Our team of consulting engineers look forward to assisting you. Vegan Engineering Solutions Ahmedabad. We create solutions.